What up, players? I'm here today to talk to you about what you can do with old tablets you may have in laying around your house, if that's actually a thing. I mean, it was for me. Maybe it is for you. If you're like me, where you get tablets or new phones and stuff all the time, and you have old ones just laying around, maybe you've given some away, maybe you still have some left, whatever. I got a couple things I've done recently with mine, and maybe it gives you ideas for yours. First, I'm going to say what up to Nathan. Nathan Dog getting it in. What's up, playa? So the first thing I've done is I've taken an old Kindle HDX and put it on the wall and have it full-time running my cameras. So instead of having to pull up an app or something like that, I can simply go from the bed, where the magic happens, and just take a look at what's going on outside. I like that. It's on 24/7. Cool thing is, when you turn the lights out, it will eventually dim, so it's not too bright in the room. It should dim here in a second. Let me close this door too, and it should dim here in a second. Trust me, it does. And of course, it's not going to do it on camera because that would be what I would want to happen. Oh, there we go. And there it dimmed. And it looks brighter on here than it does in real life. It actually is quite a bit brighter, or quite a bit dimmer, but works real good. Let me show you another something else that I do. Actually, in another room, I have a different one, just loaded a different way. I'm also going to show you how I've mounted these. The only thing I don't like is the power cord's out. So in order to keep these going 24/7, of course, you have to get power to it. But putting it on the wall is actually really simple. There's something you can buy on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Super simple thing you can do. Of course, here's the cameras here. And last but not least, I actually was going to replace a clock here in the bathroom and just decided to put a tablet on the wall with power down here. And then, of course, that's an Echo Dot, if you've noticed that. And it has a cool widget. It has the weather and everything else. I like this. Super simple. This bracket you can see here, it's like 17, 18 bucks on Amazon. You can either screw it in or you can just use the sticky tape. And then you're done. What I use is I downloaded an app. I'll even show you. Downloaded an app. Oh, look at all those finger marks. And let's see. Where are all my apps? So I downloaded a Level app. Alarm clock, nightstand. Well, maybe I didn't have it on this one. That's not really that embarrassing. Let's go back here. So there's another clock. I kind of like that one. I can switch it up if I want. That's the other cool thing about this is you can switch up to any kind of alarm clock that you want. I mean, like really whatever your taste is for the day, you can go with. This one is called Weather Night Dock. And I like it because it shows the weather and everything. Anyway, you can do a bunch of things. I want to put some smart home controls on one of these where you just have it all sitting out. But currently, I use Wink and a couple other things, and I could put that up there and have it sitting full time. But I have echoes everywhere, so I can just do it all by voice. So it's almost kind of redundant. Anyway, kind of a cool thing you can do with extra tablets if you have some laying around the house. Check the description for the links to these little holders, which will hold pretty much any kind of tablet, any size you want, and have little spacers to make the difference up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, do all those things. Tell your friends. I will be back with another video. Peace and love. Peace and love.